I must.
The civil authority has issued shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas. Coconino, Arizona, at 1:33 p.m. on August 24th, 2022, effective until 5:33 p.m. Flash flooding expected in the areas of Brayton Estates, Cheshire, Coconino Estates, Coyote Springs, Anasazi Ridge, and the Highway 180 corridor. If indoors, shelter in place. If outdoors, get to high ground and do not enter drainages. Know where your children and pets are and do not let children play near drainages. Please stay safe.
That's the wrong scroll.